Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video, I will share with you a unique project, and from this project, you can digitally earn a very good income. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video, then notification. So as you can see, the website was opened and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. It's a very unique project that gives you a multiple opportunities of earning. As you can see, Meta Home is the name of this project. Affiliate companies values with journey rewards and ensure trust with authentic certifications and multiple things the projects will give you. And before this project, I will share you about the detail of this project, how it's work and how you can earn money, the token name, and multiple blockchain opportunities of this project was discussed in this video. So as you can see, Meta Home established trust becomes company then user based on authentic reviews and provides a platform where only genuine companies can grow through fair certification service, as you can see on screen. And this project gives you a multiple opportunity to generate a passive income or grow your investment and multiple things. So first of all, we can review and then I will tell you how it's work. So next you can see project background was showing on screen, and Meta Home solves these issues using blockchain technology, as you can see on screen, fair rewards and multiple ecosystem and low fees, big rewards, and multiple things. The project will give you insufficient transparency and multiple things, as you can see on screen. So must read it and then be the member of this project. And vision and goal of this project was also sharing on screen. As you can see, Meta Home builds a healthy and fair digital certification economy. Other projects just build economy, but they give you a certificate because they build the trust and give you a big reward in future, so you can work with them and get a big opportunity of earning. So you can see transparent certification process and fair reward system, sustainable ecosystem design, and multiple things you can get from this project. So hopefully you will know how project work, and the purpose of this project was also available, so must read it. So now we can scroll down. As you can see, blockchain and technical architecture was available. You can see on screen blockchain technologies, immutability, transparency, decentralization, return data ownership to user and companies, and multiple things the projects will give you. Reward system was also activated in this project, so must join it and get benefit from these methods. So now we can scroll down. Now you can see the token economics of this project. You can see on screen. As you can see, review rewards, staking reward, Meta Vault transaction, certification fee payment, and multiple things the project will give you was showing on screen, so must read it and then be the member of this project. Now you can see token supply was 210 billion and the reward and reviews was 126 billion. Total distribution of token was showing on screen, as you can see, and these are the tokenomics of this project. And demand and supply was also showing on screen. Demand was depend upon corporate certification fees and transaction activation, and supply was depend upon user review rewards and staking rewards. So it's a good thing for you, and it's clear the projects clearly tell you in website about how it works. So must read it, and then you can see the most important thing of this project, which is a roadmap. It's tell you about how much thing was developed in this project and how much thing you can see in future. As you can see on screen, so must read it, and it's grow very fastly, and multiple exchange accept the coin and it's grow and give you a big reward. So must join with the time and get the big reward. Now you can see the contact option was also available, so must join the social media account to get latest updates and news that I will share with you. You can see the X account was on screen, so must follow them for latest updates and news. It's a Web3 digital certification platform using blockchain technologies and give you a big reward. So it's a good opportunity for you, so must join it and be the member of this project, and also read the white paper of this project. It also guide you more about many things about this project. As you can see, the project was the detail was showing on screen in detail, so you can must read it. Introduction, marketing background, blockchain, token ecosystem, multiple thing was available and in detail. So it's help you to know about many things more about this project. So must read it. Each and everything was discussed in detail. So it also helps you to grow in this project and gives you a big reward. So must read them and be the member of this project. Each and everything was available, total token distribution, each and everything you can see on screen in detail. So be the member of this project and must read the detail to get more information and earn more reward from this project. So these are the main details. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project. It's totally based on technology and give you a digital economy to build a good revenue. So if you like this video, so much subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. So we will be making next video.